來自加拿大溫哥華嘅救火車隊啊！頭先見到佢比賽咧，非常之勇猛，但係咧佢哋要一反常態，俾一個可愛嘅樣咧，就係、俾大家吸引你哋嘅目光，所以特登咧就係裝扮成為迷你兵團啊！而迷你兵團當然有佢哋嘅大老闆啊嘛，阿大佬暴龍。Why there, Paul? You remember their school? Their team, 保羅暴龍 is a group of alumni comes from a local secondary school at the McDonald's Road. Year 2026 marks the 10th year of their Dragon Ball team, and they are grateful to join the Hong Kong International Dragon Ball races in their fancy dress competition. Actually, it is the first time that they dress like red bricks, representing their school campus. 唔單止有城獅，仲有啊廣州最地道嘅文化、飲食文化啊，有燒臘青啊，亦都有糯米飯啊。總之你哋最中意嘅廣州美食，佢哋都將佢哋一擺埋晒上去，再將佢哋廣州最獨有嘅文化，包括咗除咗有龍舟啦、有城獅啦、有鑼鼓啦，咁啊亦都將呢啲所有嘅元素加喺呢個運動上面。我哋一齊以你嘅掌聲送俾15號艇廣州國際龍舟隊。Let's give it up, boat number 15, Guangzhou International Dragon Ball Team. You know, when you talk about Coca-Cola, you're gonna talk about World Cup. Their team of 20 paddlers are dressed up as athletes from different sports disciplines. Not only World Cup soccer, they have baseball players, they have cyclists, they have rugby players, they have runners, basketball players, and boxers. All kinds of sports, colorful and vibrant. Let's give a big shout out. Phone number 16, Swire Coca-Cola Hong Kong. 你見到佢哋咧，全部有運動嘅元素啊，好多不同嘅運動裝束，包括棒球啦、單車手啦、橄欖球手啦、越野跑手、籃球員、拳擊手，全部咧都合二為一。來自 Swire Coca-Cola Hong Kong 同 Hong Kong Federation of Youth Group 落去佢哋今次嘅扮嘢大賽。Let's give a big shout out to phone number 17 from London, Typhoon. I gotta say, I love the drummer and the steers, tennis ball hand. 你有冇見到啊？佢哋將個舵手同埋個掌手特登帶咗個網球頭出嚟啊！咁因為佢哋中間冇人有網球㗎。Last but not least, boat number 18. Let's give it up for the Onslaught Racing Dragons Qatar. 來自中東卡塔爾嘅 Onslaught Racing Dragons， 佢哋都係法老喎，但係佢哋呢班法老相信會更原汁原味，同埋最緊要更加離遠睇，你以為佢哋係普通種，着住啲荷葉上身，但係原來你近睇先見到呢一紮香港美心種咧，哇！嗰啲蝦人啊，全部咧都係咧擺晒喺塊面上邊㗎。非常之精緻啊！咁我哋啱啱咧亦都係完成咗我哋嘅扮嘢大賽。咁呢個時間咧，我哋就會喺現場咧有少少嘅中午休息時間。大概咧喺1點半之後咧，我哋就會重新繼續開始我哋嘅比賽嘅。一陣間咧喺我哋午膳過後咧，喺午休之後大概1點36分咧，我哋又會重新開始翻我哋仲有餘下嘅16場嘅賽事咧會進行㗎，包括埋頭先我哋嘅漁民杯第2回合嘅賽事，因為啱啱大家掛住睇佢哋嘅艇啦，都冇睇到佢哋嘅漁民杯嘅第2回合賽事。第1回合咧，先攞到第1名嘅咧就係魚鷹挑戰龍啊，咁啊第2名咧就係筲箕灣漁業商會東方龍，第3名就係漁灣之友。咁啊第1回合攞到第1名嘅魚鷹咧，而家就揀咗喺第2線啊，喺第2線即係最靠近岸嘅第2線咧，就係進入第2回合嘅。咁啊上回合第2名嘅東方龍咧，咁啊都係咧就係騎喺第3線。咁啊，而至於飛魚龍舟咧就喺第4線，漁灣之友喺第5線，柴灣生力龍咧就喺第6線。 咁最遠嘅香港仔合火龍咧就喺第7線。再一次欣賞下咧，佢哋而家唔係賽緊標準龍㗎，而係賽緊傳統木製嘅龍舟啊，相當之特別嘅漁民杯。再提一次，參加嘅所有嘅朋友咧，都係漁民嘅身份㗎。咁啊，已出到嚟可能真係大雨嘅影響咧，喺呢一個回合魚鷹龍又冇咗好似喺上回合嘅絕對優勢喎，反而咧喺中間而家5線上回合攞第3名嘅漁灣之友而家喺第1，而家牙煙在就係咧最靠近岸嘅魚鷹挑戰龍，上回合攞第1，如果呢回合攞到第3咧，佢個冠軍就冇㗎啦。但係說時遲那時快，見到魚鷹挑戰龍臨到尾話我要攞第1，所以嗱臨有第3名爬翻上第1位。結果首線、中線仍然係魚鷹挑戰龍，跟住第2名中線連續。